In this video, I will walk you through the key differences between React.js and React Native so you can decide which one fits your next project. While they share a similar name and many core principles, they are actually built for very different purposes. React.js is a powerful library used primarily for building web interfaces. It allows you to create dynamic, high-performance websites by breaking your UI into reusable components. On the other hand, React Native is a framework designed specifically for building mobile applications on iOS and Android. One major difference lies in the rendering process. React.js uses a virtual DOM to update the browser efficiently, while React Native uses native APIs to render actual mobile components on the device. When you transition from web to mobile, you will notice that the syntax changes slightly. For example, instead of using standard HTML tags like div or span, you will use specific components like view and text. React.js offers incredible SEO benefits and massive ecosystem support for web developers. However, React Native allows you to share a huge portion of your code between iPhone and Android apps, which saves a massive amount of development time. If you want to build a lightning-fast website, stick with React.js. But if your goal is to launch an app on the app stores with a smooth mobile experience, React Native is your best bet. Both are fantastic tools that rely on JavaScript and offer a great developer experience.